Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jesse, the couch movie critic, and as you can see, we're back in the kitchen, which means today we're doing another unboxing video. So, as most of you know that watch the videos, I've talked about in the past, I'm doing little by little things to improve the filming quality, such as my tripod, and now the latest addition is a mini LED selfie light. What this is a small device, as you can see, that allows you to actually control the light while you're filming. Most of you guys know that I do most of my videos with my smartphone, and it's not about not having a camcorder or a camera, but it's about the ease and the simplicity of it. It's always on me. I can capture a video whenever I want, wherever I go with this. It'll actually let me control the lighting while I'm working. So I wound up getting it on wish.com. You guys have heard me talk about it before. I'm not affiliated, but I am a fan of the site. It lets you get these rather interesting Chinese and Japanese items for really low cost. It costs me all of $1.70 with shipping. So let's go ahead, let's open it up, take a look, and see how it works, and we'll go from there. Okay, so here we go. We'll go ahead and unbox this. This is the actual first time I'm unboxing it myself. I haven't actually taken the opportunity to open it up or check it out. There was a little something rustling inside in there, so this piece of cardboard had me a little worried earlier. I was like, oh, it didn't make it all the way from China to here. These, again, for $1.70, this actually came all the way from, I believe it was China, if I remember right. And it's a simple clip-on device. It's got the LED ring here on the outer edge. A little bit of cellophane protecting it here. I'm not too worried about taking that off just now. And it's got the actual battery door right here. A little simple on and off kind of toggle right there. Now, basically the way it works is you clip it over your phone. The camera sits through here. The ring lights up, and now you've got a controlled light. Let's go ahead, let's put a battery in here and take a look and see what it looks like. Okay, voila. There goes the batteries. As you can see, it uses two AA batteries in there. It's got a little plastic door right here. Closes it up so your batteries don't fall out. Flip it over, and as we can see again, pretty solid piece. It actually seems a little wobbly here on the clip side, but I think that's to give you a little bit of leeway on the body of the phone itself. But it seems like a solid connection otherwise. So let's go ahead, let's give it a turn and see what happens. So as you see, we got the light. This is the first setting. As you notice, it's bright. I mean, it's very bright. It's very controlled. It's very interesting. Let's go ahead. We're going to step it up a notch. That's the second light source. And then this is the third light source. So it definitely gives you some real control over lighting. You don't even, on the camera at least, you don't pick up so much the fact that it's individual lamps. It seems like a solid glow. And it shuts right off. So it's, for $1.70, not a bad deal. I'm going to go ahead and hook it over to the phone so we can take a look and see what it looks like while filming. Alright, so there she goes. This is right now using the light ring itself with the regular lights around in the kitchen. So I'm going to go shut off the kitchen lights and see what it looks like. So now in this lighting, I can see already just from the picture quality, it is dim, probably creating a reflection off my glasses, but it is definitely, again, a controlled light source, something that I have control over. Let's go ahead and give it a try in the second setting. So let's see what happens there. And now it's a little bit brighter, a little clear, but still definitely a little dim. And I'm going to check enough footage to see what that looks like. So let's take a look here. Now we can definitely tell that we're in a darkened kitchen. It's no longer lit from the lighting, but it definitely is more controlled. It's definitely more focused on mine, and it's not absorbing so much of the battery of my phone by having the light. So it's actually not too bad. Let's go ahead and take a look at the third and final setting. This one being the brightest. I mean, when I say bright, you can't tell, but it is definitely difficult to keep my eyes open without blinking. So let's take a look and see what the footage looks like on that end of it. Wow. Definitely clear look. Definitely a different look to the lighting overall, which is what I was aiming for. So it's not a bad thing. Let's take a look here. No, it's definitely brighter. Definitely dim. Definitely not something that I would not need other lights on to help with lighting, but it's definitely something that gives you more control, more focus. It's definitely dim. Let's go and give it a try one more time with the kitchen and see what it looks like now with the lights on. Now, the biggest thing about this isn't even in the kitchen. Really, this is going to be more for my reviews, which I've got a few that I've got to be getting myself on to be doing rather shortly here. But the idea is when I am actually sitting on the couch, having the control and having the lighting. So let's take a look, and we're going to take a walk over there, see what that actually looks like. So this is what it was all about. The whole purpose of this light was controlling the light that was coming at me while doing these films. And it seems like it's doing a job. It's definitely something that allows me to have a simple backlight behind me, have my red, white, and blue over here on the left, and be able to film these videos where you can actually see my face and not hidden in shadow, and it's a good thing. I'm not sure if that's a good thing, but for $1.70 from wish.com, The mini LED selfie light does exactly what it's intended to do. Not great quality. Doesn't feel like it's going to last forever and a day. But it does the job and will make sure that I can do my videos and keep improving. Little by little as time goes forward, I will keep getting better. But for $1.70, if you're looking for something like this, Wish.com is the place to go. $1.70 is cheaper than getting it from Amazon or even eBay, and it does the job. Once again, as always, guys, if you enjoy the videos, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks, and have a great night.